extremely hungry, like famished. I've just taken this juice. I hope this helps me survive until we get the breakfast in flight, because there is no other option besides that. We've already boarded, like went through the security check and all of that. Now we're going in. Hungry. Do I look like Hulk yet? We've reached Udaipur. Ta-da! Ta-da-dum. Hi Mona! Good morning!
Good morning.
Wow guys, call me crazy but you have to see this. So there's the sun. Now directly opposite there. Do you see that? There is the moon. How cool is that? Now that I've explored this beautiful place, absorbed all the energy that it had to give me, the positive energy and the vitamin D that I'm getting right now, I'm gonna give you a whole tour of this amazing place, which is apparently just to ourselves. So I think along with my girlfriend and me, no, I just mean a girl who's a friend, not a girlfriend. There is one another couple, and that's it. I'm now gonna start the whole room tour and show you how beautiful, colorful, and with 2 dogs as pets this place is. So that is the sitting area towards the end. Let me quickly show that to you guys so that we can move on and start with my room. I was actually planning to start with the room, but here we are. So that's the nice beautiful sitting area with amazing sun. There, this place that I'm zoomed into is apparently Monsoon Mahal, Monsoon Palace, whatever people call it. It apparently looks beautiful at night because of its white color, and as far as you can see, it's completely jungle. So we are like right in the middle of the jungle. This is where we are staying. This is where our room actually is situated. Just look at these walls. कुछ अलग ही बात है यहाँ की हवा में. I don't know what it is. So this is where we are staying. That's our room. There obviously we are gonna be sleeping. Is Jagdish temple. Do you see that little monster, the squirrel? How cute is she? Oh, चली गई. Okay, हम भी चलते हैं. Bye bye. Elephant. So we are here at the city palace. It looks beautiful, clean, and amazing. I cannot believe all of this was used once upon a time. Yeah, it's scary, the weapon, and it was used to kill people. Oh my god. Look at that. The way the water is shining in the sun and the mountains there. So apparently we are on the 4th floor and there are these trees on the 4th floor, and this is a mountain on the top of which we have trees. Obviously trees require roots. That's the entrance that we came from. This is how it looks from the top on the 4th floor. Actually, that's the city. History. In 2011, the current king's daughter got married here, and hence you can see this was the whole mandap, which was made out of silver. And Yes, you guessed it right. We are going in right now to check all the silver utensils, jewelry, and everything they have in the khazana. Wow. Are you looking at that? That's Rath, and that's the buggy. Oh my fucking god. Is it made out of silver? Let me guys, this is the extreme inside of the palace where the actual Rajgharana family really stays, and it's not open obviously for tourists to go. This is where they stay right now. अब हम यहाँ से बाहर जा रहे हैं. We're almost done. Bye. We come out too when we leave from the exit gate. Water, for some reason, actually no, I know the reason. I'm a Piscean. Water is just so soothing. It just makes me so happy. Yes, it does. Yeah. This obviously is one of those places where you can have like a nice dinner. I'm not sure about lunch in the scorching heat and sun, but obviously a dinner which is connected to the palace, and you obviously have a lot of such places. Yes, we are on the boat ride in the Lake Pichola. Nice sunset, like almost setting. It's 5:30. That's the view of the city palace lake. That is Taj Hotel, Taj Palace Hotel. That is an extremely fancy boat ride, you guys. For a dinner here at this gorgeous place. Let's see. The lakeside, and it's an open space. So yes, it's good that we did not come for lunch, but no. Yeah. The makeup is also nice. Just helps you get through the day. Bye.